How to fix Fox News app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Fox News and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of Storage. Over here, you're going to find the FinApps are installed in a device. Find the app Fox News. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of delete app. With that, you'll get the pop-up. Click on delete. The app will be deleted. Then you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Fox News. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Fox News app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.